Let's see how we can use the realloc function. So this was the same code from the malloc and cloc. Here I have used the cloc function. So depending upon the value entered by the user, we are going to create an array of size n. And we are going to assume that the user is going to enter a positive value for n. So memory successfully allocated. We are initializing the elements with I times 5, and then we are displaying the elements. Now I want to say printf enter the new size of the array. I'm going to store that in scanf %d, comma, ampersand, n underscore new. So let's create that variable, n underscore new. Now, the new value of n can either be smaller than the previous value of n, or it can be larger than that. So first, let's create the new array. So I can say pointer equals int star realloc pointer comma n star n underscore new star size of int. So the new value of n can either be smaller or greater than the old value of n. So if it is greater than the old value of n, we need to initialize the new indices with some values. And if it is less than the older value, then we don't need to do anything. So for that, I'm going to have an if statement saying if n underscore new is greater than n, I'm going to say for I equals n, I less than or equals n underscore new minus 1. So we are able to access the new locations that were created and I plus plus. So I can say pointer of I equals I star minus 5. And if my new value of n is less than the old value of n, then I don't need to do anything. Then I can print all the elements again. So I'm going to say printf, the array elements are, note that this should be n new. Let's run it. So enter the size of the array, let's say 10. So memory successfully, let me shape this a little bit better. \n. Okay. Enter the size of the array, let's say 10. So memory successfully allocated. Array elements are 0, 5, 10, so on up to 45. Enter the new size of the array, let's say 25. So I have 15 more elements. So the new array elements are 0, 5, 10, so on up to 45, followed by 25 new elements. Followed by 15 new elements, starting from minus 50, 55, minus 60, so on up to minus 120. Now let's make another run. Enter the size of the array 10. Memory successfully allocated. These are the array elements. Now enter the new size. I'm just going to enter 5. So the new array elements are 0, 5, 10, 15, and 20. These 5 are eliminated. So this is how you can use reallocation.